The question says which one is the strongest nucleophilic site in the following species. In this compound we have to identify strongest nucleophilic site. There are 4 sites. You can see this is the first site, second site, third site, this is the fourth site is there. And always keep in mind strongest nucleophilic site is the site which has greater tendency to donate electron density. Okay, or we can say nucleophilic site is the site which is electron rich. Okay, which is electron rich. If you look at the compound, you can see double bond system is there, double bonds are there, and benzene is there. Definitely conjugated system is there, means resonance is there. And if resonance is there, so always keep in mind resonance. If resonance is there, or if resonance increases, nucleophilic character decreases. Okay, nucleophilic character for the site decreases. Why? Because that electron density will participate in the resonance. As a result, that electron density will diffuse and its magnitude of the charge will decrease. Hence, nucleophilic character will also decrease. Okay, always keep in mind. So you can see resonance is inversely proportional to nucleophilic character. Now pay attention carefully. How we should identify where we have the resonance? So keep in mind, if the conjugated system is there, then resonance will be there. We identify conjugated system. There are 4 types of conjugated systems are there. Keep in mind. If double bond, single bond, double bond is there, conjugated system. If you have double bond, single bond, and then negative charge is there, conjugated system. Double bond, single bond, positive charge, conjugated system. If we have double bond, single bond, and lone pair there, it is also a conjugated system. Okay, so if any of these condition is given in the question, immediately we say conjugated system is there, means resonance will be there. And if the resonance is there, nucleophilic character of that site will be decreasing if it is a part of conjugated system. Okay, now pay attention carefully. We talk about the first site is there. This is the first site. Okay, we have the first site is there. This is the first site is there. First site. Okay. In this case, you can see double bond, single bond, negative charge. This is the site which has electron density. Okay, and now it is a part of conjugated system. Double, single, negative charge. Double, single, negative charge. You can see double, single, negative charge. Here we have double, single, negative charge. Hence, this electron density as a part of resonance will come down. As a result, this electron density over this oxygen atom will start decreasing because it will diffuse. It will diffuse like this due to the resonance. Okay. Means this electron density is decreasing. Move on to the next side. In this case also you can see double single negative charge, double single negative charge. This side also resonance is there, this side also resonance is there. You can see comparatively, in comparison to the first side, in the second side more resonance is there. Hence negative charge will decrease drastically because it can diffuse this side also, it will diffuse this side also. So electron density is decreasing, then tendency to donate electron density will also be decreasing. We move on to the third side. In this case you can see this carbon is having negative charge, but you can see double single negative charge, double single negative charge. Here also resonance is there, and here also we have the resonance. Same situation is there. As a result of resonance, electron density at the third site will also be decreasing because conjugated system is there. Now you can see we have the fourth site is there. This is what we have. Benzene ring. Let me draw it. We have benzene ring. Benzene ring. Okay. And we have the negative charge at the fourth site. This the fourth site is there. And now pay attention very carefully. Benzene ring has conjugated system. But if we relate this negative charge with this double bond and single bond, you can see this negative charge is not a part of conjugated system because we have double bond and immediately negative charge is there. You can see double bond, single bond, then negative charge is there, conjugated system we have, then resonance will be there. But in this case double bond and then immediately negative charge is there, hence resonance is not there. When resonance is not there, this electron density will be same as it is. It is not going to decrease in comparison to first, second and third. And when it is not going to decrease, means at this side we have more electron density. At this side we have more electron density. Here electron density decreases, electron density decreases. Here electron density decreases, but here we have the electron density same as it is. It does not decrease. Even by the way, if you consider benzene ring is acting as a plus M group, it can donate electron density, so it can increase. But this electron density will not decrease because it is not a part of conjugated system. Hence, fourth option, here we have the fourth option is correct option. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.